In this video, I show you how to fix unable to upload this item in Instagram story problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, type on Instagram, up to date Instagram app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now tap on force stop. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Now tap on your story. Now I hope that this method fix unable to upload this item in Instagram story problem.